Hi folks, David here. I thought I'll do a quick video and just show you how I do the pasting on my boards. Now, yeah, I've got my boards. Got them from PCBWay, very nice quality. At the time, I also got this little stencil. Now this stencil is actually for this board as well as its friend, that they come in an array like that. So I can paste them all at once, but the problem is the majority of the parts on this board is on this side, so I prefer to load this first and then just put on the battery holder afterwards. So I prefer not to do them at once. A bit of oversight on my side, but hey, it happens. So what I had to do on this one is I just put a piece of sticky tape on there just to limit the mess, and now I'll show you how to set it up. Now when you want to set up, I'm going to print multiples of these, so I want to make my life a bit easier. So I'm going to make a little frame for myself over here. Okay, that's nice and sturdy, that's not going anywhere. Now, stencil, it's always a bit tricky to perfectly line it up. Always check your alignment on the extremities. Your printing, when you're loading SMD, your printing is the most important part of the whole job. If your printing is bad, you are going to get problems. Okay, slap some paste on this baby. High quality printing instrument, gift card. And what a smart person would do is to make sure they've got a spot to put down their squeegee. I'm not known to be a smart person, so you can see there's just a smidgen of paste. These are 0603 LEDs that go on this side. Just a row upon row of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and print the hoverboards, and then we can do a next video and show you how I load them.